Hey, this is Robert 90, your spray foam advisor. And I want to talk about personal protective equipment, and I want to focus on three key areas of interest when it comes to PPE, and that's respiratory protection, eye protection, and skin protection. So when it comes to respiratory protection, we know that there's chemical exposure via inhalation, but we want to be aware of how spray foam applicators, helpers, and other tradesmen are working in the surrounding area. So there are several tactics that can be used to implement a good respiratory protection policy. During application, airborne levels may exceed exposure guidelines, so using proper PPE is critical. This can include supplied air respirators for interior applications or possibly air purifying respirators for exterior applications. You should definitely refer to NIOSH respirator decision logic for more information regarding which respirators you're choosing. There is a decision tree available from NIOSH that can help you in this process. Additionally, engineered controls like ventilation can reduce airborne levels of aerosols, mists, and vapors created during application. So during and after spray application, the vapors and mists, as well as particulates and dust from trimming the foam, can linger until the area is ventilated and fully cleaned. So you want to be aware of that, know what's possible, and make sure that you're protecting your people as well as the other trades in the area, so that there's low risk when it comes to respiratory concerns. Next, we're going to talk about eye protection. When working with chemicals, the worker should always protect their eyes from accidental splashing, sprays of the reacting foam, aerosols, and airborne particulates. It's very similar to a painting application, right? We're dealing with a liquid adhesive material. The most common options for eye protection are going to be safety goggles or full face respirator masks, and then of course the full hood for those of you that like to don that full hood option. The best option at any given time may vary depending on your circumstances and the conditions and the type of work that you're doing. Just know what options you have available and what will work best for your current application. And when it comes to skin protection, protective clothing should be used when there's possibility of direct contact with SPF chemicals so that no skin is exposed. Applicators and helpers generally wear disposable full body suits to keep spray, mist, and particulates from contacting skin and clothing. Additionally, gloves made from nitrile, neoprene, butyl, or PVC generally can provide adequate protection when working with A-side and B-side chemicals. So take this for what it is, a general safety overview on your PPE and some of the different PPE options out there, some of the things that you and your employees should be paying attention to when you're working with and around or going onto a job site with spray foam chemicals on them. This has been Robert 90 with Spray Foam Advisor. Check us out on some more videos. I love questions. Anyone out there, feel free to shoot in a question. I'll give you an email address right here for any questions you have. Send them to questions@sprayfoamadvisor.com. sprayfoamadvisorsingular.com. So questions@sprayfoamadvisor.com. Go ahead and send those questions in. I'll get to as many of them as I can, and I'll try to incorporate a select few into some of my weekly videos. And of course, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to the blog if you haven't already done that. Find us on YouTube and like and follow us there. And check us out on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Find us on all of your favorite social media sites, and you can keep up with the words of wisdom coming out of Spray Foam Advisor. Thank you very much for joining us. I appreciate it. We'll catch you on some more videos. Take care.